Good morning, students. Welcome to English Grammar Period. LFCS online class. Every topic belonging FA first is being revised one by one. During revision, I am getting few more topics to give you explanation with sense of deep knowledge, revision. In FA first, you will get only allotted topics, but during revision time, we can take up next topic also as tense is very common. It should be revised again and again. It is very important for class 9th, class 10, for every English class. It is not fixed only for class 9th or class 10th, 12th. It is very necessary to revise. Tense is the main root of English grammar. Should be revised. In this sequence, I am taking passage based on verb forms. Verb forms in your examination, either that is class 9th or class 10th, home examination or board examination, it is certain you will get passages based on verb forms. You have to complete fill in the blanks belonging either verb forms or other as preposition, conjunction, adjective, degrees, so many things. So passage should be revised. It's my advice. Don't avoid it. Don't ignore it. Here I am showing you just I showed you passage from the book. Why? Because on the board I have written only passages, not all the options. It is time taken. We should know, we should get any knowledge clear and shortly. On the passage one on the board, one passage has been written. Answers also I have written, but I am going to explain. Please know. As our school ... an educational tour during the winter break. Full stop. The tour ... 10 days. Full stop. The touring party ... important historical places in Rajasthan. Only 40 states ... full stop. Here full stop. Each state will pay only 500 rupees. The school ... the rest. Full stop. I hope it ... beneficial to us. First of all, to do any passage, first of all we should read the passage. Whole passage. All the sentences containing in the passage. And try to know, try to identify which sentence belongs which tense. According that, we have to select proper option from given options. हमारा स्कूल एजुकेशनल टूर ड्यूरिंग द विंटर ब्रेक, इसका मतलब विंटर ब्रेक के समय स्कूल ऑर्गेनाइज करेगा। ऑर्गेनाइज करेगा क्या? एजुकेशनल टूर। विल ऑर्गेनाइज यहाँ पर होगा टूर ... 10 days, 10 दिन तक चलेगा. Will last. ऑप्शन में है will last 10 days. The touring party है will visit important historical places. राजस्थान के important historical places को visit करेगा. So you will fill here will visit. Only 40 states will go. Only 40 states ही जाएंगे. Each state को 500 रुपीज पे करने होंगे. स्कूल बाकी चीज